So it is 10 o'clock at night. I am going to wash my hair tomorrow. I just put in the onion, garlic, and clove. No, was it onion, garlic, and clove? I will be leaving it in overnight. And I also added Jamaican black castor oil to like my edges and stuff. So as you can see, you see the little curls. This was here before the treatment, but we're documenting the progress that my hair is making. So this is my second time using the onion treatment, but this is my first time actually keeping it in overnight. A YouTuber mentioned that it's good overnight. You could use the treatment twice a week. I'm choosing to use it just once a week, baby steps, and we'll see how it goes. It doesn't have a strong smell at all, but we'll see how it goes. As you can see right here is my problem area, but it is growing back slowly but surely. It's growing back, and same goes for here. I don't know if it's bright enough where you can see, like right here. Okay, so I'll be washing my hair it was supposed to be every Sunday, but I washed my hair last week Monday, so I'm like, maybe I'll just do it every Monday instead. So it'll be every Sunday, every Monday, but it's gonna be every week, okay? Every 7 to 10 days. So we'll see if my hair will stop shedding and if these treatments are legit, okay? Don't give up, okay? Continue to do what you have to do to take care of you, to take care of your inside and outside, okay? We all go through setbacks in life. It's okay. It's depressing and it's stressful, but it's okay. So yeah, jot everything down for this month. This is what I'm jotting down. That's everything that I used. So yeah, the shedding, yeah, you have to go. Yeah, the shedding, you have to go. You have no place here, honey, okay? You gotta go, okay? Your girl want booty crack length hair, so the shedding has to go. You gotta go. Yes, I will keep you guys updated on my hair care regimen. I'm sticking to different type of treatments each month, and I'm gonna see what treatment works. Okay, if this treatment don't work for this month, everything I'm doing for this month, if it doesn't work, then I'm gonna change it up a little bit. Okay, God is good. Stay on your healthcare journey. Eat right, sleep tight, all that. All right, you guys have a blessed night. So good morning. Hair struggle part 2. Well, actually, at this point, it's part like 20 because I can't get it right. Anyway, so I woke up this morning and I rinsed out my hair. So I did a apple cider vinegar rinse as like my shampoo. And what else? And now I have like a deep conditioner in my favorite Afro G Curlific deep conditioner. Now I'm going to wash it out, and then yeah, I finished working out, so I'm a little sweaty, so I'm going to take a shower, rinse out my hair, kind of finger detangle it in the shower, redo the twist. Well, not redo the twist because I'm gonna redo the twist out here, but yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so I am back. I am done washing my hair. This is the amount that came out. For me, this is still a lot. This is like not even a week's worth, because I detangled my hair. Today is Monday. I detangled my hair, I think Thursday. So, I mean, this is still a lot for me because I'm not used to shedding this much, especially in between me detangling my hair. So, sorry for the quality. I'm not sure what to do. I don't know why it's blurry, but it is what it is. You guys can see me. Yeah. So, this side is like way thinner than this side. is what I've noticed. The tea, I mean, it's of course too soon to tell if the tea is working. See, as you can see, it's like see-through, whatever. Yeah, it's too soon to tell if the tea is working. I'm also gonna alternate between the onion tea and the black tea. So I'm gonna use the onion tea every 2 weeks, every other week, and the black tea every other week to see which teas stop shedding. Because a lot of YouTubers were mentioning that when they use the black tea that same day, they experience little to no shedding that same day. Not to say it'll happen to me, but I don't know. I'm just like annoyed right now because I'm not used to this and it's annoying. And I've been dealing with this for about a year or going on a year. Yeah, about a year. Like on and off shedding, and now it's just getting worse. So whatever. So I'm just using my aloe leave-in conditioner that I made. And I'm also going to use like a curling thing that I made. I'll be using that on my hair. This is amazing as well. Let me see if I could change. Make it, no, we don't need it to be, yeah, a little bit. That's better. I don't know. It just seemed like it was too bright for me. But yeah, so I'm going to use my aloe leave-in conditioner that is almost done. I only make about 4 ounces. That's what the recipe called for. And you can add a preservative if you want, or you can just leave it in the refrigerator for a week. So this is like about a week's worth, and it moisturizes all of our hair. So yeah. So I just wanted to come in and say that I'm not detangling with a comb on this section because, or I didn't detangle with the comb on this section either, is because I didn't feel any knots or matting, not knots, but I didn't feel any matting, which is a good sign. That's a good thing. That's good. That's good. So, like at the root, indicating that, you know, hair from the root is falling out. So yeah, whatever. So that's a good thing. It's not that, I feel a little bit, but not really. So that's why I'm not using a comb. And I'm also twisting going to the right. As you can see, the twists are a little tighter. That's because I'm going twisting to the right and not the left. There's a difference, trust me. I haven't lost any length, it's just thickness. I lost thickness, but I still have my length. I rather my thickness than length, to be honest with you. I rather my hair healthy than it falling out and still growing long. It's, no. The front is like the worst. Like, oh my gosh, I don't know what the heck is going on with the front, but the front is where I have the most shedding. It's just you run your fingers through it and then just hair just keeps falling out. Very agitating. Basically, this is my regimen. Like, I'm just going to do this until my hair stops shedding. By God's grace, it'll be soon. I cannot wait to go back to my mini twists and braids. I cannot wait. I cannot wait. But until then, I have to do this. If I do my mini braids and mini twists now while my hair is shedding, oh my gosh, my hair would lock. Okay, that's it. That's not a good thing. So that's why I choose to do these medium twists. Easy access to like re-moisturize my hair if I want to, like take the braid, the twist out after 4 days, re-moisturize and put them back in, then I can. Done with this side, I will come back. I'll come back when I'm done with this side. So I am finally done. Detangling wasn't as bad as I expected, which is a good thing. I lost more hair on this one than I did on this one. So I hate when my hair is wet, but I'm gonna put it up. I'm gonna put it up. Then I'm going to do my edges. Try not to do it too tight. I could leave these two down, but my hair is wet. I don't like. It look cute. Not really, so up you go. I feel like this is pulling a little bit, so let's pull some out. I'm going to show you how much hair I lost. Honestly, it's not that bad. So this is how much hair I lost. It's not that bad, but when I tell you, this is the hair I would lose in a general basis, okay, before this whole shedding happened. So this is all the hair I would lose. A wash day, detangling, this is it. So imagine you losing this much hair, okay? And this is together, you know. And that much hair was in a span of like, what, 2 weeks. Can you imagine? And I used to leave my braids in for a month. So this would be a month worth of shedding for me. This was normal for me. So what I would do is just brush up my edges. I am going out, but nowhere serious. So brush up my edges. I would put like a scarf. I would use gel, but like I said, I'm not going anywhere serious, so I'm not going to use any gel. Yeah, I'm gonna put a scarf, tie it down, and call it a day, okay? Just simple. It's usually cuter than this, but whatever. Make sure you subscribe so you can know my hair updates, the hair struggles. I will be keeping it real. I will let you know when I'm thriving. I will let you know when I have setbacks, because we all do. That's a part of life. And I will also do other videos as well that doesn't really talk about hair. You know, just to entertain you guys. I like putting random videos out there that's, you know, not talking about hair. So, you know, so yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and also hit the bell notification so every time I post a video, you guys will be notified. And thank you guys for your support. Thank you guys for your tips, and as always, be blessed.